What's good, Wavers? I just got a Wavebuilder box of the Wavebuilder products. Damn, they gave me a lot of do-rags. I just unwrapped it. Unwrapped it. I just unboxed it. Got a lot of do-rags. Mostly black. Full force do-rag. I thought I saw a gray one. Yeah. This is a gray dope. A gray do-rag. Dark gray. Oh, that was the way. Wave pomade, healthy wave former, Edge-tastic. I don't know if I'm going to be using any of these products. Probably the product that will curl my hair, but so right now that's what I got. I got curls, not waves right now. Kinda busy. Wave pudding, I might try that. That sounds good. Wave butter. Thought that was the same thing. Brushing waves. I remember when I first started out, I wanted to Wavebuilder products. Because washing waves, shampoo, wave saving shampoo. Another bottle of shampoo. Shit. Shout out to everyone who been supporting my wave campaign, who's been helping me on my wave journey when I was a rookie. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate that people that believed in me winning. I wanna thank you for that. 'Cause your boy done won September Wave King. Same month my mom had passed. But I'm still gonna keep my head up. You know, I'm sorry, I just got back from school, but shout out to my wavers though that are brushing. Shout out to them that's been supporting me. Shout out to the wavers that's still brushing, still posting. You know, I'm not leaving the game. It's just that I got crews. I'm playing basketball, lifting weights, and all that. Rapping. I might come out with a video soon. Hopefully before the end of this month. But yeah. Shout out to y'all, man. I'm not gonna be talking all day. So I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of y'all weekend. I know I'm gonna enjoy mine. Cause we ain't gotta do no goddamn schoolwork. But yeah. Peace out. September Wave King, signing out.